You have to come car. Oh, he got a big one. Tama lang pa atrás. Here. Okay, stay right there. Okay, observe him right there.
Let me guess, still no warrant? You don't think you need one?
Leave her, because she got the baby. No quiero hacerle daño a la niña. Cierra la puerta, cierra la puerta.
Yo me voy con mi esposo.
Él va preso.
No, yo también.
Mami, él va
Yo
preso.
también me voy.
Hey, put him in the car. Don't let her.
Put him in the car. What are we doing?
You're taking him to Whipple. And give me his ID. Hey, move her out. Man, go home with the baby.
She's going with us.
No, she's not coming in.
So I'm gonna bring it in the car.
No, Malik, don't let her in the car.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, in the car.
No, por favor, no. Señor, ¿por qué?
Yeah, she don't want to move.
¿Por qué?
She don't want to move.